Tesla brought 2 Cybertrucks under wraps at Giga Texas. You know, Cybertruck isn't a vehicle that can easily be hidden with a car cover, so people noticed. Last week, Tesla fan and drone photographer, our friend Joe Tegtmeyer, who has always been providing Giga Texas videos and images, spotted 2 new Tesla Cybertrucks at Giga Texas. He tweeted that they were Cybertruck prototypes, which makes sense at this point. However, they were covered. The covers were certainly not enough to hide what was underneath, but probably just there were protection from the elements. That said, it wasn't clear if they were working copies or just bodies. Tesla and CEO Elon Musk have now confirmed on several occasions that the upcoming Cybertruck electric pickup truck, which has now been delayed a few times, will begin production in the middle of 2023. We also know that Tesla plans to produce the Cybertruck at its newest factory in Austin, Texas, which is also the home of the company's new global headquarters. We've seen Tesla Cybertruck prototypes at Giga Texas many times, even before the construction of the factory was nearing completion. However, it was pretty clear that the new units were manufactured at the new facility. The most recent sightings captured by Tegtmeyer took place at the north end of the huge electric vehicle factory of Tesla in Austin, and the 2 Cybertrucks appeared to arrive at the factory when he was wrapping up his filming. And Joe tweeted a couple of days ago on October 14th saying, breaking, 2 new Cybertruck prototypes delivered to Giga Texas today, 14 October 2022, located on North End and near paint shop, arrived just as I was ending filming. Check this out, much more in my video later today. Actually, watch for. And he also tweeted saying these could be test bodies as part of initial production line setup. They did something similar with Model Ys in June 2021, if you remember. Anyway, Tegtmeyer goes on to share that the Cybertruck prototypes arriving at Giga Texas were most likely coming from the automaker's Fremont factory in California. Earlier prototypes were built at the California factory, and he doesn't have any reason to believe Tesla would have produced these copies elsewhere. As you can see from Tegtmeyer's reply to his own tweet, the drone photographer quickly shifted to referring to the Cybertruck prototypes as test bodies. Tegtmeyer wrote on YouTube saying, the biggest nest seek of the day, however, is the arrival of at least 2 Cybertruck test bodies in shipping configuration, with white covers that have Tesla logos on them. These may well be the first test bodies used to set up and assembly production lines, test equipment, and calibrate the installation of the various parts of the assembly process. Tegtmeyer has been following Tesla in its factories and its processes for some time, from the beginning of Giga Texas construction. He used to send a lot of our videos. He is always allowed for us to use his videos at Torque News. He goes on to say that if his assumption about the test bodies of Cybertruck is true, it would follow the same approach Tesla took with the Model Y test bodies shipped to Giga Texas in May and June of 2021. So do you think Tesla is really moving forward with the Cybertruck production, and this is following the same pattern that Tesla did with the Model Y test body shipping to Giga Texas in May and June 2021? Let me know, friends, your thoughts. This is Armin Harian from TorqueNews.com. I would love to hear from you. God bless you, and I'll see you soon in our next report.